Electronics. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the TULIP program. So TULIP is actually an internship program, which is a joint venture of Government of India and also AICT, that is All India Council of Technical Education. So this is an internship program which is offering the diploma people, graduates and postgraduate and also final year students to do internship in all the major urban centers or urban cities of India. Okay, the internship can be either in government organization or in private organization, or it can be sometimes virtual internship also. Okay, so anyway, it is an idea of Government of India to give exposure to the students, which are freshers especially, in the organizations. Okay, so let us see about the TULIP program in this video. We will be seeing what is TULIP program, who all are eligible to apply, what is the selection process, what is the application procedure. All these things we are going to see in this video. Okay, so first let us see what is TULIP. So TULIP is the Urban Learning Internship Program, that is called TULIP. Its expansion is the Urban Learning Internship Program. So it is actually intended in giving or providing of internship to the students. Okay, now let us see who all can apply, what is the eligibility criteria for applying for this program. Okay, so if you have completed your diploma or your graduation or your post-graduation, all these people are actually eligible. That can be any branch or any stream, any graduation or any post-graduation, all people are eligible. Okay, and they have also mentioned that the graduation date, it should not exceed 36 months after your graduation. That is, if you have done your graduation that is exceeding 36 months, means you cannot apply. Okay, maximum 36 months of duration after your graduation. Okay, so that is the time period. If you are exceeding 36 months after your graduation, you cannot apply. Okay, next is final years. Okay, about the final years, they are also eligible to apply, but provided that the certificate for your internship program, they will be providing certificates also. Okay, so this is a certified program. The certificates they will be providing only after you provide your degree certificate or your graduation certificate or the provisional certificate. Okay, so only after you provide your provisional certificate or your educational qualification certificate, only then you will be getting your internship certificate. Okay, so that is the case for final year students. Anyway, final year students are also eligible. This is a selection process, that is how can you get selected for doing this internship program. Okay, so the selection process is having an initial screening and also there is an interview that is provided by the particular area. So you will be getting the internships in your selected urban area. Okay, so if you see the website of the TULIP, you can see that for all the major cities of India, you can see that they are conducting the TULIP programs, and for a particular urban city or a smart city, the organizations, that can be government organization or private organization, they will be conducting the interview. Okay, so that is this TULIP program, and the interview conducted by those cities or those organizations will be taken for recruiting the people or for the selection process. Okay, so that is the selection process. Next is what all documents you are requiring for applying for the TULIP program. So for applying, the documents that you are requiring are, you require an ID proof, that can be either voter's license or any ID proof, then Aadhaar card, and also you require a letter of recommendation from your college or from your HOD. That is, you require a letter of recommendation from the head of the institution, that is either principal or from your HOD. Okay, so these things are required for applying for the TULIP program. Okay, so please keep these things ready with yourself before applying. Okay, next is the application procedure. So for applying, I'll be providing a link in description. You can directly apply by clicking on that link, and in that you'll be seeing a register icon. So please click on that, and then you have to register as student. You'll be seeing other options also, but since you are applying for internship, you have to register as a student, and you have to fill up all the details, upload your photo, all those things, your educational qualification, all the necessary details you have to fill up, and then apply online. Okay, so the application procedure is only online. Offline mode of application is not acceptable. Okay, so that is the application procedure. So this is actually a very good opening. This is actually a very good opportunity for a lot of people out there, because I was receiving a lot of comments in the comment section regarding internship programs, especially for the final year students. So here it is a government approved internship program, and also you will be getting stipend. Okay, so the other thing I want to clear or clarify is that you'll be getting stipend, but the stipend amount they have not actually mentioned, and it is depending on the particular area in which you are applying for this internship and the organization which is providing the internship. Okay, so it depends on these two things: the area in which you are giving or taking the internship, and also the organization. Based on these two things, you will be getting the stipend. Anyway, it is a stipend program, internship program. Okay, and also you will be getting a very valid certificate after successfully completing this internship program. Okay, so if you are not doing anything, if you are interested in having an exposure in these organizations, please do apply for it. This is a golden opening. Okay, especially for diploma people, graduate and postgraduate, especially for the freshers. Okay, so if you have not completed 36 months after your graduation, you can always try for this. So I'll be providing the link for applying in the description. You can directly apply from there. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.